Okay, folks, I'm back. We're just going to do a simple thing today. Not doing it proper stupid. We've got an egg. Now, we've got a few eggs that have gone bad. And eggshells are really good for your garden. Eggshells are really good for yourself because it's the most naturally form of calcium. Easiest to digest by the human body is ground up eggshells. And you can also crunch it back and give it back to your chickens for it to get calcium and all that. But I don't want to do that, right? Because I love throwing eggs against trees. I love the sound of an egg crushing against a tree. It's just some sort of primal thing with me. So we missed that one. Jesus. Okay, let's try it again. We got to find a bigger tree, I think. Oh, that's the trick. See, now a really good tree is this one over here. Right? Hold on, let's pull it back. Not that one. No, that one. Right? Because what that one is a whole bunch of branches. It's going to hit something, right? Oh, did you hear that? That's a wonderful sound. Let's get that big one. Shit. Oh. Got it good.